Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chief Kayode Tajudeen Ajayi, the Akogun Agbekoya worldwide. I give glory to Almighty God for giving me another opportunity to speak out to my people in Grand Community. A lot of people have been calling me, Chief Akogun, why we did not hear from you again. My silence doesn't mean that there is no grant to this boss. There is a lot of things that is going on the ground. But firstly, I want to appreciate God for keeping us alive till today. I want to say this to everyone in Grand Community, that we should all calm down. Sometimes ago, I said we need prayers. I said we are all sinners. We have sinned against Almighty God. That's the reason why we have not gotten this grant up to this moment. A lot of people were abusing me, saying different of things about me. But you people don't know I'm a prophet. I was sent by Almighty God. I'm not here to fight anybody. I'm not here to say bad about anybody. Just to tell my people what is going on again in Grand Community. Actually, about this grant we have been talking about, a lot of people have been hyping. We get this money today, we get it tomorrow. I've been telling you people, don't listen to hypers. They were killers. Wait for Apostle Ken Wakama. Dr. Apostle Ken Wakama will make brokers before disbursement. All these hypers have been saying they are in the bank, they're about to disburse. No, actually, there's a lot of things that is going on that we knows. But it is not good to hype. It's not good to give people faith, fake promise. Like someone called me, he said he owes somebody a lot of money. And the person came because he listened to hypers. He told the person that he's going to pay the money by next week. When the person was like, want to drag him, they were fighting, he slapped the person. He said, I'm going to be multi-millionaire. Now, the money doesn't come. The guy has to run away from his house. Can you imagine what they have caused to the life of this young man? They have caused a lot to the life of the young man because he believed that the money will be paid. So I'm calling my people, my lovers, overseas Nigerian in Grand Community, that you people should just wait to hear from the horse's mouth. When time comes, I also will come out to tell Nigerians about the broadcast that God has done it. Actually, God has done it for us. We're about to get the money, but it's not as faster as those people that are coming out to hype you, because some of them want to sell markets. Some of them, they were on YouTube making money, so they will come out to tell you things that you want to hear. So for you to listen to them, that's why they always say the money is there. They will pay next week, they will pay today, they will pay tomorrow. So my people in Grand Community, just wait on the Lord. This is the Lord doing. I watched a video from Temitope Balogun. She was shouting, calling government. Really, government knows that is grant. That's why they cannot listen to us. She said EFCC did not listen to them. They call on government. They will never listen to you because they know there is grant to this boss. So it's like we are wasting our time calling names, fighting grant handlers. You know, I worked with someone about this grant last year. And when I got to move with that person, I got to know that actually grant handlers are spending a lot of money. Yes, as we go to wrong hand, some of them has fell into wrong hand too. They spend a lot of money. That's why I said I won't fight anybody in Grand Community. Give your money to anybody you love. If you give your money to me and you are expecting disbursement, and when this disbursement come, you did not see this money, you fight me. So anybody you pay to, just mark the person. When time comes, the disburse, you don't see your money, you can sue the person. Yes, you can take the person to anywhere. All right. So what I'm saying in essence is that the IPAS are the killer of grant in Nigeria. Some of them are collecting money, scamming Nigerians, telling them series of lies. So people as like us can never come out to tell you what is not happening at present. So the present thing is that there is grant to disburse, but they were still working on it. Don't listen to hypers that can kill. I am a lover of Dr. Ambassador Ken Wakama. I love him so much, and also I am the last man stand by him. I can never back out because I believe the words of God can never go without come to pass.